Ready na po ba ang company para sa global expansion?
Well, kaya natin ginagawa yung infrastructure upgrade ng technology, yung modernization ng IT natin for the global expansion. Kung nandun kayo nung anniversary, meron pong ila-launch ang company within the next 8 to 12 months. Magbilang kayo from now. Between 8 months to 12 months from now, maglalabas ang company ng strategic product na pag lumabas yung produktong yon, consumable. Pag lumabas yung produktong yon, approved na kaagad sa 200 countries all over the world. Kasi, as you know, Roy,
Yes, sir.
meron tayong mga existing products ngayon na hindi pa approved sa iba't ibang bansa. Kasi, iba-iba yung requirements po ng iba't ibang bansa. Like sa Europe, may isang bansa sa Europe, sa dami ng ingredients ng C24/7, gustong i-categorize na gamot. So, iba-iba yung requirement ng bawat bansa. May bansa naman na gusto nila over-the-counter sa pharmacy, yung product natin. So, iba-iba yung requirement, iba-iba yung regulation ng bawat bansa in terms of food supplements. Sa Hong Kong, iba yung kailangan application ng herbal medicine, Chinese medicine. Sa herbal supplement, sa food supplement, magkakaiba yon. So, iba-ibang regulation. So, that's why we came up with this new product. Again, I don't have the liberty to divulge. New product, consumable. Pag nilabas, hindi na kayo mamumroblema. Approved na kagad sa 200 countries na meron kayong downlines all over the world.
Yes!
Kaya kung ang tanong, are we ready for global expansion? We are getting ready. We are going in that direction.
Correct.
Exciting!
Exciting, lalo na sa mga onliner.